Wow. Pick it. You go under this and you pick like this. Ooh, num num. Oh. More. Do it. Learn. Do it. It's a lot. You go under like this. Yeah. Pick. Yay. Oh, it's okay. Put in a bucket. We'll go wash them. Ooh, how many you got? 2? 1, 2. Cool. Ooh. Oh, wow. You want to keep going? We already have like a half a bucket. Let's go. Right now we at the Kenny Strawberry Farm in Fallbrook, and it's just a good activity for a kid. I thought it's gonna be really crowded today, so that's why I kind of dressed like this, because on the weather it says it's gonna be crowdy, but it turned out it's really sunny, and our house is super crowdy. And it just like start the first season of the strawberry. This was awesome. Show mommy how much you already picked. Can you show me your bucket? Okay, he not wanna show anything. So this big bucket is $20, and they have a small one for $8. It's not go by weight, so it just go by bucket. It's actually really cool. Hot pot. It's right on the freeway, so easy to get over here. We'll show you. So right behind Hot Pot is a freeway, and Hot Pot, he's sitting on dirty water. No, it's not dirty, but it's just a dirt. It's okay, but he just cannot let it go. He's just a handsome boy. Don't you think? Don't you think? Yeah, get it. Ooh, wow, good job. Put it. Oh, get it. More. 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 Come on. Good boy. Come on. That's a big one. Yeah, come on. The bucket ready for you. Get it, buddy. You can do it. Here, the bucket. Here. Oh man, put it. Whoa! Oh, more. We already finished picking up our strawberries, and right now Papa's so starving, so he kind of steals some strawberry from my bucket. The strawberry here is so sweet, right, bud? Yeah, he confirmed. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh. This lemonade, so good. They mix with a bunch of strawberries. See?
It's $5. My just $5.
Mr. Hot Pot. Playing with dirt.